Hello everyone and welcome to IRA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 9 subject English unit 2 2.3 Somebody's Mother. This is a very beautiful poem from and it is heart touching poem. From that you learn the value of your life. So let us start with the poem. Before that, complete the warming up. Somebody's mother. Read the following proverb has that has a biblical reference. That means it is related to the Bible or any religion book. Do unto others as you would have others do unto you. Now find at least 5 other proverbs or axioms or quotations which convey the same message. You can find out it from dictionary or internet of proverbs also. Okay, so hatred stirs up conflict but love covers over all wrongs. Second, a cheerful heart is good medicine but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes other will be refreshed. The fruit of righteous is a tree of life, and the one who is wise saves lives. As water reflects the face, so one's life reflects the heart. Like that, you can select any proverb of your choice with the same meaning. Question number 2. Study the following sets of words. Set A. Set A has pleased, happy, joy, aesthetic. Set B is letter, word, sentence, paragraph. If you notice these two sets, you will find out that the words in these sets are arranged in ascending order, each word showing a higher degree than the previous one. Now arrange the following groups of the words in ascending order. Now here given order is adult, aged, infant, youth. So infant will come first, then youth, then adult, and then aged. B. Cold, freezing, cool, chill. So cool will come first, cold will come second, then third freezing, and last is chill. Brilliant, genius, bright, intelligent. Bright will come first, then intelligent, then brilliant, and then genius. Mountain, peak, mound, and hill. Mound will come first, hill will come second, mountain will come third, and peak, that is the top of the any mountain. Okay, it will come last. Prepare similar word chain using the following ideas. Rain, rain, drizzle, then hydrometeor, then cloud burst and shower. These are the words related to rain. Then wind, breeze, draft, blow, then hurricane. Sunshine, warm, direct rays, light, cheerfulness. Water body, pool, river, lake, pond. Size, big, small, little, huge. Again size, small, least, high, big. Let us start with the poem Somebody's Mother. The woman was old and ragged and grey. That means we are talking about now. Poet is talking about a woman. She is old. Ragged means having the clothes which are old and torn, not in good condition, and grey. That means her hair almost turned to grey. And bent with the chill of a winter day. Because of too much cold, she is little bent. The streets were white with a recent snow. That means just now snowfall had, and because of that, street is full covered with the snowfall. And the woman's feet with age were slow. And woman is walking very slowly because she is taking care of herself. If she will try to walk fast, because of cold it is impossible for her. And second thing, chances of any accidents are more, and at this age this type of any accident is not uh, affordable to her. She cannot uh, recover from it, so it is harmful to her. At the crowded crossing, she waited long. Now, at the street was as the street was crowded, she was waiting for the way. She don't want to go in the crowd. Jostled aside by cheerless throng of human beings who passed her by. So many people are happy, many people are in good mood, many people, those who are careless, they passed by her, but nobody is looking at her, nobody is taking care of her, or even nobody is ready to take one glance on her also. Unheeding the glance of her anxious eye, that means she is totally worried that how she can cross the street. In this rush, in this crowd, it was difficult for her to cross the street. So no one is ready to see in her eyes that worry. No one is caring about her. Throng means though large crowd is there, but nobody is ready to take care of her. Nobody is ready to look at her. Down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out. That means now here comes the group of school teenagers, school going children, okay? And because school is let out, so they are very happy, they are going to home. Came happy boys like a flock of sheep, means they were coming in the group and like sheep they are coming, hailing the snow filled white and deep. So children were very happy with the snow. Past the woman so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. That means here children are going in the happiness because school is over, they are very happy, and after school snowfall is there, so they are enjoying that moment. So they are passing through the woman, but children are on their way, no one is ready to look at her. No one is no one is giving any sight or any glance also towards the woman. Each and every one, though the street is fully crowded, each and everyone is ignoring her. None offered a helping hand to her. No one is asking any helping hand to her. So weak and timid, afraid to stir. That means she is very weak and timid. That means she is afraid of the situation. She is worried about the situation. She is afraid to stare. That means she does not dare to look at anyone. Lest the carriage wheels or the horse's feet should trample her down in the slippery street. Means that was not enough in that carriage wheels or the horse's feet. List means for the fear that carriage wheels or the horse's feet should trample her down in the slippery street. She was afraid that if because of rush, if somebody will push her, she will fall down on the slippery street, and it will be very difficult for her again to get up and walk. Already she is very afraid of the situation. She is unable to move from that slippery street, and she, because of that also, she is worried, she is afraid, that she has fear that she may fall down. At last came out of the merry troop, that means whichever school boys were going, from that one boy came out, the gayest boy of all the group, that means the happiest boy. From that group he was very happy. He paused beside her and whispered low, I will help you cross if you wish to go. That means that boy come to that old lady and ask her, whether she want to cross the road. If she wish to cross the road, he will help her out. Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so without hurt or harm he guided the trembling feet along. That means that boy helped her to cross the street, proud that his own were young and strong. Then back again to his friend he went, his young heart happy and well content. Why his heart was happy? Because he helped someone, and well content means that happiness. That happiness covered his heart, that he helped someone who was in need. So, like that, we have to help others. She is somebody's mother's boys, you know. That means here poetess is saying that she is somebody's mother. If suppose your mother is in that situation, definitely everyone will help out their mother. But she is also somebody's mother's. Boys, for all she is aged and poor and slow, and someone sometime may lend a hand to help my mother. You understand? So, why that boy was happy that today I have helped out someone's mother, somebody's mother. Definitely, when my mother was in trouble, definitely someone will come out and someone will lend a hand to help my mother. If ever she is old and poor and grey, and her own dear boy is so far away, so it doesn't matter whether anybody is there to take care of you or not, but you have to take care of others, so definitely someone will take care of your beloved. Somebody's mother bowed low her head in her home that night, and the prayer she said. So, what that mother did when she went to her, when while doing the night prayer, what she said? She said was, God, be kind to that noble boy who is somebody's son and the pride and joy. So that was the blessings of that old lady to boy. She praised that boy that he is very kind and noble boy. So please God be kind to that noble boy. That means whatever he wish, try to fulfill his wish, because who is somebody's son and somebody's pride and joy. Because of him, today I reached my home very safely, and that's why God, please give him all shower all your kindness and love towards that boy. If you want these type of blessings, definitely help others, and definitely someone will help your beloved one. So, this is a very beautiful poem and heart touching poem. If we help others, definitely we are getting happiness. Our heart is full with the self content. And the same thing, if you want to get that feeling, try to help others. And definitely, God will give uh, timely help to your beloved ones also. And that is what poet want to teach us. This poem is written by Mary Dobrin, and this is a very beautiful and heart touching poem. If you have any difficulty in understanding this poem, if you have any queries regarding this poem, please write down in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.